Hi, today I will show you how to publish your Base44 apps to Hostinger. So, in your Base44 dashboard, locate your project first. After locating your project, you'll have to find and click the export option to download your app's complete source code, that is the zip file. So click on this icon just right here and choose export project as zip. Upgrade to a pro plan, that is Builder, Pro, Elite or Enterprise. By clicking on this button, after upgrading, you will get the option to export your project as a zip. After exporting it, you'll have to basically unzip the downloaded file and verify its content, like a static file or full stack code depending on your app. After this, you'll have to log into your Hostinger account and open the Edge panel. Then navigate to websites, then select your website or hosting plan, then launch File Manager and go to public HTML directory. Then upload your app files from the unzipped export to public HTML. Then, if your app requires a database, create one in Hostinger and update config files as needed. Then, if your domain is managed with Hostinger, simply point it to your hosting using Hostinger's DNS zone editor. Make sure your domain uses the correct name servers and relevant A or C name records. Then test your deployment. So visit your domain to make sure your Base44 app is loading properly. Troubleshoot any issues such as file permissions, missing packages, or config errors. Then finalize and maintain. So use your Hostinger's control for site backups, SSL certificates, and updates as needed. This workflow lets you take full control of your Base44 projects and host them on Hostinger for public access and custom domain management. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.